Amoy gas. Isa ating kabayan, si Pamela. Yan, dito sa Dubai. Kaibigan namin, kasama namin sa bahay. Napakabait. Pinasyal kami dito sa beach. Yan. Bago lang sa dito. 26 years lang. 19 years old siya pumunta ng Israel. Kagandahan niya pa noon. Sexy pa siya noon. Kasariwaan. Ang bango-bango parang bulaklak. Dito na nakapag-asawa ng Israeli. Nakailang asawa ka ba?
Ay, grabe siya. Isa lang.
Ayun. Uso naman sa Pilipinas ng sus ko. May Dubai. Ano nun?
Diba?
Ay, nako. Grabe doon. Parang Sin City yun.
Akala ko talaga bawal din ng ano.
Ayan. Si Pamela. May siyang asawang tatlong anak. Dito na. 25 years hindi na umuwi sa Pilipinas at plano umuwi.
Wala pa ng 25.
26 years ka na kasi 19 ka. Oh. Tapos,
July
diba?
ako dumating eh. July 20.
Doon po yung beach. Confidential kami. Parang ng Pilipinas lang din.
Ilan kayo magkapatid?
Ayan po. Bandero ng Israel.
Dito lahat ng kapatid mo.
No, isa lang.
Yan, natulungan niya rin yung marami siyang natulungan kababayan. The same story, natulungan, bandang huli, ikaw pa yung mali, ikaw pa yung masama,
Dapat dalawa.
ikaw ang nagipit, tapos tinulungan mo, ikaw nagipit, humingi tulong, ang yayabang na, nagkakotse, nagkabahay, Diyos ko miyo. Ito yung arko dito. Anong to arko to? Pam, anong tawag dito? Rainbow arko? Yan.
Ang tatawag ko niya,
Baghari.
Baghari.
Yeah. Pero si Pam, may plano na itong magbakasyon. Talaw niya kaya magulang, oo.
Pag libre na ako sa pamasahe.
Yan. Mayaman na si Pam. Ang sabi daw, pero ang laki na magkano magagas, Pam? Kung apat kayong uwi, Pam? Kung sa peso? Kalating milyon daw. Oo, kasi kung tatlong anak niya, hindi na mapapaiwan ang asawa niya.
Magastos
Yan.
sa Pinas.
Asan pa yung allowance?
Ito guys, isa din tayong biker sa Dubai. Yan, itong taon to. Yan, mahilig din mag-bike ngayon din.
Asan pa yung siyempre.
Yan, dadaan po to dito. Nagpapalipad siya kayo nasa ng bike kanina. Yan,
Nagulat talaga
yan
ako.
po. Yan.
Ang daming... Oh my God.
Yan.
Ko nakabod. Mataas si Od Pam.
Yeah, ito ba? Yeah, man.
Pizza.
Yes.
Od pa.
Nice. Ano? You speak English? Bro? Little bit. I'm also a mountain biker in Dubai. Downhill. Downhill. I have a downhill bike. I have 3 bikes.
One year I am enduro.
Enduro? Oh. I do in the Dubai. I do downhill.
In a mountain.
Mountain, yeah. Oh, yeah, the same. We have in Dubai. We have a mountain of rock and we will jump. I saw you over there. I saw you there. Yeah. Hi, man. Egyptian bikers, man. Still young, this boy. They can still do some tricks.
Parang nakakatakot yung ginagawa niya.
No.
Yeah. My God.
Yeah. You do downhill? Enduro? You go for race? You join for the race?
Yes.
Yeah, competition? You go? Sometimes.
A little bit.
Ah, okay. Isa po siyang Israeli. You have a nice bike. Me, I have S-Work, specialized.
Wow.
Carbon fiber. Very,
My is not carbon.
it's aluminum.
Yeah, aluminium.
Mine is carbon, very light.
It's not my bike. It's my
Brother,
no.
friend, a friend. Oh yeah. You need to buy your bike, because you have a talent.
I use what's the name?
Yeah.
Capra. Whitey.
Ah, Capra, yeah, it's also good. Whitey also Capra is nice, like a P-boat.
It's 2017 here.
Years. May I have 2023 model. It's so expensive, but I'm very addicted in mountain bike. It's one of my sports now.
Nice, good.
For 21 years in Dubai. 21 years in Dubai. I do mountain bike.
Wow.
Yes. I have 11 bikes. 11. 11.
No, I ride the bike 9 years old.
Oh, yes. Because I think you're still young. How old are you? Yeah.
Now,
Yeah.
15.
See? You're still young, man. That's why.
Ayan.
Yeah. I'm old already, but I'm still doing mountain bike.
Because you're good.
Yeah, man. Thank you.
Ano ko yung dahil magandang
Ha?
tayo.
Sino mata?
Dalawa.
Saan ba dito? Mga-
Isa eh.
Wait.
Right, abal umisukan, no?
Yeah.
Oo. Ay ka na, bangasan.
Hindi, normal na yan. Mga gasgasan.
Pero ang gwapo ng bata mo.
I need hair.
Yes. Nice, man.
I need hair here.
Yeah, it's soft. We need to pump.
Yeah.
This is full suspension. Mahal yung bike ko. Adik kasi ako sa bike eh. Naka 11 bikes na ako mula ng naka 21 years na ako sa Dubai eh. Naka 11 bikes na ako. Mula sa medyo mura, pataas ng pataas. Ano man bike ko? I-convert mo sa pera, kating milyon peso.
I ride now
Whole day?
9 hours.
9 hours? Wow, you really like, huh? Huh? You need to ask your dad to buy you a bike, a gift for your birthday. Dad, I need a gift for my birthday. Your papa, your father, ask them, Papa, I need a mountain bike, a good one, a fiber.
I asked.
Yes, because fiber is very good. You're very good in exhibition. It's very light. This one, what you're doing, if you have a fiber, it's very light. Even you jump. This one is quite heavy. This is around 20 kg. But if you have fiber, around only 12, 11 kilo only. Minus 9, minus 10. Believe me, yeah. The whole frame, you think like this, it's fiber. It's very light, but it's strong. Because it's enduro. It's enduro. Mine is enduro. You can see in the down, his name is S-Work, in the top, enduro.
Now I want a bike like a Capra.
Capra, you want Capra? You like Capra? The white Capra.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Because my Capra is broken because
Downhill, you jump.
I fall in a mountain
Oh yeah?
because I ride like a
Like a crazy.
yeah,
Okay.
and my bike fall down.
Fall down and then broke.
And I'm
You roll.
yeah.
But always wear the full face, huh? This is protection.
No.
You don't have?
Before I know.
Oh man, no, do it. And put some knee pad, an elbow pad, and we use gloves if you do in the mountain.
This I use.
Yes.
This why I like.
Yeah. Here in the city is okay. But if you join with the race in Dubai, I have also spinal support. I have a
Dubai is
shoulder.
crazy.
Yes, man, all rocks there in the mountain. Yeah. It's nice there. I show you something. We don't have internet here. I have a YouTube. I have also the TikTok. I download all my downhill competition.
TikTok.
Yes.
What is your TikTok?